I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup. First, clean and slice 1 pound of your favorite fresh mushrooms. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pot and sauté them. Cook until they are golden brown and have released their moisture, becoming tender. This step builds a rich, earthy foundation for your delicious soup. Once your mushrooms are perfectly sautéed, it's time to build the creamy base. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a roux. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring no lumps form for a smooth consistency. Now bring your soup to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 10 minutes. This helps the flavors meld and the soup to thicken slightly. Next, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream to add a luxurious richness and velvety texture. Finally, season your soup with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your delicious homemade mushroom soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or chives for a pop of color and extra flavor. This creamy, comforting soup is perfect served hot with a side of crusty bread for dipping. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your everyday life. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.